and I'll be showcasing my Miner submission for the Bell Hackathon. And I'll just kind of go through some of the key features and I guess more so how to interact and connect with it. So this is the front page where you'll first need to connect your Algorand wallet. I integrate with the Wallet SDK, so you'll need that to kind of play the game. And I'll just kind of show in the FAQ section essentially kind of some details. So obviously it will show you your recommended art to use the Wallet SDK, as that's what we're built with. You'll need to configure it to utilize the testnet rather than the mainnet, as we're not using real crypto for this hackathon. And as well, you'll need a small amount of algos in your wallet to kind of cover transaction fees for rewards and NFTs that can be deposited to your account. You can get that from here in the dispenser. And then here's a short description on how to play, as well as a short section on the rewards available. So I'll go ahead and head back to home and go ahead and first connect my wallet. I have the Wallet app on my phone, so I'll be kind of showcasing how to connect that live here. So here we go. So I have, in the options, you have an option to scan a QR code, which is what you'll see on the screen, and I'll go ahead and scan that for this app. And now it shows I can connect my wallet as well as the application name there, and I'll go ahead and connect my wallet, and it should, awesome. So my wallet's connected here, and you can see how much Algorand you've won so far in the competition, as well as it'll have your shown version of your address shown in the website. And so we can go ahead and start the first hunt. So it is powered by a Gemini LM API in the backend, which will help in sourcing the questions from Reddit, it being a Reddit knowledge hunt. Okay, let's try this one more time, as it does kind of depend on what it is able to pull from the hot section on the website. But it works, yeah, it does work with the Gemini LM API, which determines the post to choose, the comments and clues to generate for you, and as well as a tracking for whether your comment is correct or not. Obviously, things like comments being deleted or edited can alter the permalink, and so there it will try to at least ensure that if the permalink doesn't exactly match that, it's at least the same content the same kind of content comment it was looking for, and ensure you get your rewards that way. So based on this, I think you have the beginner, medium, intermediate, and expert. Those are based on how many posts and comments are there on that page. But this one's more so talking about how does the immune system detect HIV after long periods of time. And the clue we have here is find the comment that explains how HIV establishes latency by integrating with this video type of immune cell and then entering a dormant state. So this this clue is the part that is AI generated, and kind of what the LM does, or the Gemini LM, which I believe is using the model 2.5 Flash or 2.0. And so here we have the hint. You can copy the clue if you want to kind of get it somewhere else. And then here's the link to the post itself. So here we have actually just a couple comments. So generally it looks at either 20 or less comments, and then it'll show that to you, so it's not just impossible to find anything. So most likely here it's this comment right here. So just sum up, evades through antigenic variation, a dense glycan on the envelope. And so, okay, so this part looks like it's talking about how it evades detection, as well as the type of cell following the integration of CD4 T cells. And this is most likely it. None of the other comments are really talking about how it does, except either quoting or people mostly interacting with it. And so this is most likely the one that we're looking for here. So we'll just go ahead and click share and copy the link for it. And to submit that, we have a submission box here at the bottom. And so we'll go ahead and submit that and see if it is the comment that we're looking for. And so we'll just give it some time to work its magic and see if we got it right or not. Okay, so we've completed the hunt, and this redirecting us to the results page. So awesome, looks like we did get the correct comment. And it shows how much Algorand you've won for this, how much time you spent on it, as well as how much Algorand you won for this. So you can either decide to play again and get redirected back home to start your new hunt, or you can go to your trophy cabinet and see what you have, kind of like your more stats so far in the game. And here we can go to the trophy cabinet and see, so far kind of in the testing, I've done multiple hunts. So I've completed 15 total hunts, as well as earned this much algo. And the average time, most of it, I think this is also from the development where one of my games just went on forever. But most part, you'll be able to see how much time those you've had here, as well as if you've had NFTs, you'll have that listed here as well. And you can kind of here just circle back to the lobby and either decide to start your new hunt, or kind of see your current level and see the current algos you've won. So I will go ahead and kind of close this, but thank you so much for taking out the submission and have a good one.